Hey beauties, how are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing ingredient that is going to help your skin. Now this turmeric face repair and face tightening ingredient is going to help to firm up your loose and saggy skin, and it's literally going to actually reduce the size of pores on your skin, and it's going to help you glow. Okay, so this is an amazing ingredient that you don't need to take it for granted. Now you have to avoid the things that actually age your face quickly, like sleepless nights, smoking, and doing like not actually hydrating your skin, like taking your bath really literally, because your skin needs to be hydrated. So you have to at least take your bath morning and night, okay, so that when you're applying this, is going to be very effective. Okay, so that's it. Let me take you right into this video so you could see all of the amazing ingredients, and this is an amazing ingredient that would help you glow really well. So let's go. For my turmeric face mask, I'm gonna be needing pawpaw. This is pawpaw. It is called papaya, but we call it pawpaw. Yeah, now my turmeric face mask is gonna be prepared with papaya, which is one of the great ingredients. Yeah, so I have this papaya here and I'm gonna be peeling it all up. So I'm actually going to be removing the seed. Now after removing the seed, then I have to cut it in pieces. Now after cutting this, then I have to be transferring it into a blender. My papaya is blended properly and it's actually very soft. Okay, I'm actually going to be turning it into this bowl, and this is it. It's actually very soft and it is properly blended. So my next ingredient is going to be vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C is a great remedy for brightening up the skin, and it helps so much to make the skin look really youthful and young. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be putting it into this my very small mortar. I have to be crushing it all out. Now after crushing it, then I'll be putting it into the papaya bowl and then give it a stir. Now after that is done, we're gonna be needing to use turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great remedy that helps so much to moisturize and rejuvenate the skin. It will help to tighten up your loose skin. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting in half teaspoon So now we have to turn it and stir it really good. And then the next ingredient is going to be coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a great remedy that helps so much to smoothen out the skin. Mixing it all up in this ingredient is going to help so much to rejuvenate and make your skin really smooth. Okay, so I'm going to be putting in just a half teaspoon of coconut oil and mix it all up. And then the last ingredient, which is very important, is tomato. Now tomato is a great remedy that closes up large pores. It helps to minimize the size of wrinkles, and it also works wonders for the skin. Okay, so what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to be grating it. So I'm going to be grating the tomato. Okay, right, so this is it. It looks as if I blended it. It looks really smooth. Now this is it, and I'm gonna be stirring it all up and mixing it really well. Okay, now for this, guys, you can actually use it to firm up your skin as a turmeric mask. Lighten up your skin, tone up your skin, and give your skin that fresh look. Without makeup, you are gonna be looking really beautiful. This is how it is. Yeah, so give yourself just 10 minutes every freaking night. Apply this for 10 minutes before you go to bed. Trust me, this is gonna do wonders. And do not forget to refrigerate it. Like for me, I refrigerate it. This is how it is looking like really lovely. Like, I'm loving the smell already, apart from the turmeric smell, because I don't like turmeric smell. But of course, the other smell has actually mixed in together, and it smells really good. It doesn't actually have that turmeric of a smell. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that you're gonna use a brush, and then you're gonna pack this goodness. Look at how it says. Oh my goodness, you're gonna pack this goodness onto your skin. Make sure to apply really good on each and every part of your skin. Okay, so you apply more because I need to cover this. I need to cover everywhere. Since I'm leaving it on for 10 minutes before I wash it off, I need to cover everywhere. Now before that, you can as well just give it a little massage. Okay, literally, because you're not like scrubbing, you're just like massaging your face with it. Okay, and it's actually gonna get into your skin, and I'm loving the way it is, guys. Okay, massage my nose, and I tend to massage this my laugh line more especially. Okay, and this place, because when I was pregnant I used to have one mark there. I don't know why, but it's actually going off, so I really massage it a whole lot. Yeah, so okay, so after you've done that, then for you to sit for like 10 minutes before you wash it off, you would have to apply it again, give it another coating. Okay, okay guys, so after 10 minutes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, you go wash it off, and remember to wash it off with the normal water, and remember to use a toilet soap. Now trust me, 10 minutes every day for just 1 week, you are going to see that your skin is going to be so sweet, so beautiful. Like, trust me, this is really nice and I'm loving it. So that's it. This turmeric face mask is everything. Is going to rejuvenate, brighten and remove age related problems on your skin, and it's also going to make you look really young. So make sure to hydrate your skin. Now when you're done using this, make sure to use oil that would actually not worsen the case, okay, like coconut oil, avocado oil, carrot oil and vitamin E oil. Okay, all of this oil are actually something that I would recommend you use after you have actually tried using this anti-aging turmeric face tightening ingredients. Okay, so that's it guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I'll see you guys. Bye, love you.